boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up, get up. I got something to tell you. I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's best-selling author Mickey D with The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device, my friends. Thank you very, very much for joining me. I hope you and your family are safe and sound and comforted during this coronavirus era, my friends. This COVID-19 that's out there, this havoc throughout the world, my friends. Hope all is well. God bless you and your family, my friends. My friends, I want to talk to you today about the areas that we're in. Talk to you about our cannabis a little bit, our crypto a little bit. Talk to you a little bit about the uranium, and we'll just talk a little bit about some gold and silver and things like that, you know, my friends. But as you know, the scoop is for your education and your information, entertainment only. I'm not a stockbroker. I'm not a money manager. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm an author. I write books. My books can be found on Amazon.com. You can get the audiobook, the paperback book, or the ebook, my friends. Two of the books today are pertinent today. Make Money Online with Cannabis Stocks, where I list over 40 stocks. I also have a strategy in there that you can use in any market, my friends, for the rest of your life. Also, marijuana today, vanadium and uranium tomorrow. Companies to get in early, hold, and grow rich. Oh, what do you know? Uranium is not tomorrow, my friends. It's today. We're going to talk about it today. Also, in the back of this book, I do list 10 gold stocks. It's a mini book. It's just a mini book, my friends. I list the companies for you that have been heavily vetted. These companies we know up and down, and they will do very well when the time comes, which is now, my friends. Especially, you know, today was a good day for those commodity type. Well, it was a fair day. I'm not going to, let's not get all crazy about this, my friends. Cannabis stocks did do well, but I looked at my first 100 cannabis stocks on my watch list, and 50 were up and 50 were down. So you can't say this is, and as I told you before, my friends, I told you during the bear market of 2019 that not everyone's going on this ride in cannabis stocks, okay? You had stocks like bear market bounces like T-Guy today, up 32% or so with an online sales deal. Yeah, it might save T-Guy, but some of these other stocks, my friends, you know, Aurora, we still have to get up to over $100 with Aurora, so some of you guys can break even, you know, that have been in Aurora. No, I'm not currently in Aurora right now. I'm not in T-Guy. You guys, Canopy, you know, they showed some strength. They're the dog out there, I believe. Canopy is doing really well. You guys know IIPR, Innovative Industrial Properties. You know the deal, guys. We got all these stocks. Innovative Industrial Properties was a teenager, and it ran up to $140 for us. You know, we were in Canopy at under $3, and it ran up to over $60 for us. We've made our money, my friends, in this business. We're going to do exceptionally well this run also, right? Because we're going to be very, very selective, my friends. Like those stocks were up today. So was our baby knockout that we have in this race, my friends. Our baby knockout. You guys know it. Tilt Holdings, right? It was up 14% today. We're looking for earnings to boost the stock a little bit. We're looking for a direction. Even if the stock goes down, we're looking for a direction. Remember, I've compared this company, Tilt Holdings, to kind of the nuts and bolts, the picks and shovels, like Megan was saying. You know, that kind of thing is what we're looking for here on this trip, because not all the stocks are going to be going on this marijuana trip. And we're getting ready to take a little pullback here also, my friends. So you're going to have plenty of time to work with this. And I'm predicting, I'm on record right now, I'm saying all these sectors right now are going to be hot come November, December, January, that time. The holiday season, you've heard me say it before, I'm not deviating from it. The holiday season, we're going to have some bulls running, my friends. It's going to be a great, great time. You go for the ride, you know, but not all stocks are going, especially in the marijuana. You're going to have 20, 30 stocks that are really going to go for this ride, my friends, with the marijuana stocks. And our Tilt Holdings will be one of those. It's going to do very, very well, my friends. It's the marijuana talk here, my friends. Let's move on over to our cryptos. Bitcoin is holding about 9,500. Ethereum is holding about 200 or so. Our crypto plays they're set up very, very well, my friends. They are really right in position there. There's a lot of volatility going on right now. But we say as soon as Bitcoin goes over that maybe 10.5 or so, it's going to be happy days for a minute here for our crypto stocks, my friend. It's going to be a good time. And you guys know those three amigos that we have, right? If you haven't, you can see the video because we were in before, Riot is up and down, up and down. It's like 2/3. It was a Riot is going crazy. You've got Hive blockchain, and Frank Holmes is here, there, and everywhere. He's the guy, right? That's going to make the decisions on this, and I feel comfortable with him. Like I said, he was a straight shooter when I met him 25 years ago. He's a straight shooter now, so he's going to be the guy making the calls here on Hive blockchain. Also, we have Hut 8. Hut 8 is just a straight Bitcoin play, my friends. They mine Bitcoin. All of these do. But of course, Hive has that Ethereum. And at the beginning of the year, back in January, look at the videos, my friends. We said Ethereum has the possibility of having a better year this year and outperforming Bitcoin. Yeah, we still think that. We stand by that. It depends, my friends. If they can get 2.0 off the ground, Ethereum will have a very, very good year. Also, my friends, take a look at that lottery, our lottery picks. One of the lottery picks is our crypto pick, as I was reminded by some of the viewers, that our crypto pick is over 100% now. And thanks for Izzy reminded me, it's over 100%. So all those are good to go. My friends, let's go over to gold and silver, our gold and silver plays. Gold, 1744, so it closed today. Silver, we're looking at 1734. Silver is going to be going up, my friends, to $18. And once it gets to $18, 1850, 1875, 19, it's going to be rolling, my friends. I believe so. I believe gold is going to go to 1800 here pretty soon. But, my friends, I believe there's going to be a little pullback before a small pullback. It's healthy, my friends. It's real healthy. There's no need to scream and get out and run for the hills with any of our gold and silver, especially our baby knockouts. It's going to be really, really good. In fact, I'm going to give you one here at the minute. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit subscribe. We'd love to have you on board, my friends. I'm going to give you a baby knockout here in a minute because I don't think I gave it to you before. But it's a silver baby knockout. You'll see. And I'm on record saying, you get as many silver stocks as you can. Get as many silver stocks as you can, my friends. And you and your stockbroker get together and y'all really get some silver picks. And I like the baby knockouts. I like the little developers, on the verge of producing, in that sweet spot and a year away or what have you. And we had some the other day. I have one for you here today. It's not quite there, but it's still a few years away, and I'll tell you about it here in a second, my friends. But give me a thumbs up. Let me know you're out there. Give me a thumbs up. You guys, the algorithms and everything has changed about YouTube. I really do need, hit that button. See that button right there? Show a little love. Just show a little love. I know the guys are saying it, and they're, nobody's listening to anybody nowadays. It's wild out here, But just give me a little love, man. It takes nothing to just hit that button. It takes nothing, my friends. You can do it. You can do it. Strength, energy, give yourself. You can do it, my friends. But let's deviate over here, my friends. Let's go over to uranium. My friends, there hasn't been a better time to be in uranium, my friends. There has not been a better time in a long, long time. These uranium stocks in here, along with some of the others that I've given you, my friends, we are in for a serious, serious ride, my friends. Craig Perry, president of CEO of ISO Energy, he, and along with others I've heard say this, and I actually read it, my friends, that Kazatomprom, my Russian, Kazatomprom, has stopped selling, my friends, their spot product on the market, my friend, on the spot market. They're stopped selling their product on there. Remember I gave you the example earlier, and some of you commented, and I give you an example. if you're in a fight, you're in a war with a guy, and is he going to give you ammunition to shoot back at you once you run out of ammunition? I mean, that's what this is, So they've said, hey, we're not going to do this no more. What else? Is there any bigger catalyst to make uranium go up than, my friends, it's just a matter of time. And it's going to happen sooner than I believe people think it's going to happen. Because I think it's going to happen. I think, and I believe this is only my humble opinion, my friends. I can't talk right now, but I do these things again. I'm doing it one time, and I'm doing it for you because I love you, and you guys are my subscribers. So you guys know I make mistakes all the time, man. I'm not perfect. You are. But anyway, I'm going to. There hasn't been a better time now. Catalyst in this thing. Cigar Lake up in Canada, in Saskatchewan up there, they're expecting a second wave of this COVID-19. So, why are you going to have your people dying? Keep that thing closed, man. Keep it shut down. Care and maintenance for the next year. I mean, shut it down. Russia over Putin over in Kazakhstan, those guys are worried about that area too. They're worried about people dying, man. This is serious. Africa, the mines, and all over the world, my friends, people are worried about this, and mines are closing. There's going to be another additional mines closed and all that good stuff. It's not good stuff unless you're a uranium or an investor in the mining area, whether that's the silver or gold or what have you, my friends. But anyway, my friends, the baby knockout that I wanted to give to you, I don't know if I gave it to you before, but I did give you some the other day. I don't know if I gave this to one of the donors or what have you of one of the people that donated to PayPal, or I'm not sure, my friends, but I'm going to give it to everybody now because they got it already. All right. The baby knockout is Silver One Resources. Silver One Resources. SLVRF. It's about 29 cents right now, USD. Wait till it goes over 30 cents, and it's going to be all right, my friends. That one is going to be all right. At over 30 cents, I think I'm going to double down on it. For the record, I own all of those baby knockouts that we've talked about, my friends, and most of them over the last 2 weeks or so, I've doubled down on them. Any pullbacks, my friends, I'm all in on gold and silver. I'm sorry, but I'm all in. I'm all in on uranium right now, my friends. I am all in. I'm all in on the Bitcoin area, my friends. Our crypto plays, all in, my friends. I'm also partially in on the cannabis right now because the cannabis, like I told you, our baby knockout, Tilt Holdings, I don't have a lot of belief in this run here right now because there's too much artificial out there, too much artificial going on right now in our industry. We get something like this bill here in the next few days or so, it's not going to be too late, my friends. If we get something in the stimulus that gives some relief for marijuana, we're going to be all right. Give some relief to the cannabis industry, we're going to be all right. Banking, anything, we're going to be all right, my friends. But until that happens, we may just see another leg down on the cannabis stocks, my friends. And I will be jumping in once again when one of my favorite stocks, when Canopy gets back down to about 9 or 8, my friends, but not right now. If we see 30 before 10, then, or before 9, then we're going to be full-fledged. The bull is out the barn, man, and you can't stop the bull once the bull starts rolling. That's going to come with legislation, and we're looking, after this pullback, my friends, we're looking for maybe around, what time have I been saying? We're looking for possibly December, holiday season, November, December, January. I'm looking for a lot of things to happen around this holiday season, my friends. So stay tuned. Summer lull, things will be happening. I don't think there's going to be a sell in May and go away. There's none of that. We're in the middle of the month already, so there's nothing going to be happening, my friends. Anyway, going toward the end. June, there's not going to be selling June. July, August, we're just getting better setups, better pricing, better setups, my friends. You guys are right there. We're right on the cusp of violent action in these stocks. Violent action. Beginning of the year, my friends, I said, we're going to pay off homes. We're going to pay off cars. We're going to pay off debts from years and stuff. We're going to get ourselves in position to do that because we're going to have some violent takeoffs in these particular areas, my friends. So keep your eye. Keep your eye on that cannabis sector. Keep your eye on that crypto area. Keep your eye on our gold and silver baby knockouts, my friends. Keep your eyes on these areas. Our uranium stocks are primed and ready, my friends. Just patience. Just have patience. And we're going to do very, very well this year. This is the year of the baby knockout, my friends. And we're going to do exceptionally well. Thank you for listening. God bless you. Take care of you and your family, my friends. Have a great day. Have a great week. If I don't hear you, if you don't hear from me for the weekend, I've got some things I need to do, my friends. I need to clean up and I need to get some things squared away. So if you don't hear from me till Friday or Saturday, you know I'm keeping an eye on our stocks. And if anything breaks, my friends, I'll definitely let you know. Otherwise, my business is slowed down just like everyone else. I'm going to have to contact Magic Johnson to get a loan. And see what I can do from there. It's a shame I got to contact Magic when I got subscribers that can help a brother. Well, we ain't going to go there. PayPal button works. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family.